Hey guys, this is Lars Pearson here at MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. I'm standing on this brand new 2023 Scout 177 Sport. It's a sweet little bay boat. Draft's very little, so you can run around, do that shallow water fishing you want to do, as well bring the kids out. You know, great time, and you can pull real close up to the sandbar and get real shallow too, even if you wanted to do that on the weekends. So up here in the bow, we got pull-up cleats. You got a nice trolling motor plug right here, so when you want to get that trolling motor to keep you in your spot, it can mount up on the bow, but you got your plug here ready to go. This box here opens up, and a ton of storage in here. There's actually even room for a bucket, dedicated bucket storage, which is great to have on a boat. And also this serves as a nice casting platform area. You got some rod holders in the back of the boat, as well as a good spot for them around the helm here, so you can walk around the boat and cast without worrying about hitting your rods at all. You got a live well under this seat in front of the helm. At the helm here, you got a tilt steering wheel, your Yamaha controls. This boat does have trim tabs, some switching, and your Yamaha gauges. You have some storage under here and access to stuff that's up under the dash as well, and your battery switch here, some cup holders. Now here in the back of the boat, where you'd be sitting, you have a nice seat. That backrest does pull out there, and you have some storage under here, as well as this is good access to your bilge. And what's nice about this is it has a dedicated cooler storage right here. As well, you do have some tackle storage areas. You get some tackle boxes. They can fit right in here. Easy to grab area when you're out there. And then these two boxes on the side, they do have bins in there to store stuff, and those bins pop out, gives you more access down in that bilge area. And this boat is equipped with hydraulic steering on this 90 Yamaha as well. So this boat runs great with this package. Again, this has been the 2023 177 Sport from Scout. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat we might have here in Ship Bottom, give us a call at 609-494-2102. Thanks.